super awesome Canon Camera Cake today! Yeah! How super cool is this? It looks exactly like a real camera, except you can eat it. So fun! Let's get started. We're gonna start the details. And while you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an awesome cake. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Tell us if you have a camera or if you like taking pictures. There's lots of little details on this cake today. Are you ready for a trivia question? What do you call a person who takes pictures for a living? What do you call their job? Stay to the end to find out. Or if you think you know, you can leave us a comment. And then you can go back and see if you're right at the very end. There's lots of little details today. This is going to be just like putting together a super big puzzle. Okay, let's do our cake. As you can see, the cake is super different because we're going to make it look like a camera. These circles are going to make the lens. You know, the lens that's in front of the camera. That's what helps you zoom in and out. You can take pictures close up or far away. What do you like taking pictures of? Do you like taking pictures of people? Or maybe animals? Or flowers? Maybe food? Rolling out our cake blanket! It's black and shiny today. Just like a camera. We're gonna take super careful time getting it just right because there's lots of little spots in this really special cake. So fun! Remember, if you're using scissors, be super careful. And roll it out. This is going to be for the lens. You know, the lens part that goes on the front of the camera. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Tell us what your favorite thing to picture is. Maybe you like taking pictures of clouds. Or water, like the ocean or a lake. Wow, that looks so cool. Now we're going to add some texture. Texture brings out details and makes it look super realistic. Just like a camera. Except this one, you can eat it. How cool is that? I think it's pretty awesome. This looks so good. Do you remember the trivia question? What do you call the job that takes pictures for a living? What do you call that person? You call them a photographer. And they do photography. Did you guess it right? A photographer takes pictures for a living. And they can be pictures of anything. They can be pictures of people like families, or maybe weddings. Or maybe they take pictures of food or toys. Wouldn't that be a fun job? Taking pictures of lots and lots of toys? I think that would be awesome. Or maybe you want to take pictures of pretty landscapes. Travel the world and take pictures everywhere. That would be super cool too. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? And what would you take pictures of?
Wow.
This is gonna look so cool! Look at all these tiny, tiny details. Makes it look exactly like a camera. Oh, you can't forget your camera strap. That's so you can wear it across your shoulders, so you don't drop it. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Wow, this is looking so cool. Just need a few more touches. That's right, some paint details. Do you like to paint? You have to be super careful when you paint, that you don't smear all of your pretty work. Wow! Doesn't this look so cool? It looks just like a camera. Except this camera, you can eat it. How cool is that? And all finished! How super awesome is this cake?